In today's video, we are going to share some rustic inspired home decor ideas. If you love the warm and cozy feel of rustic style, then this video is for you. Whether you are looking to transform your entire home and add rustic touches to specific room, we have got you covered. Let's dive into these charming and inviting decor ideas. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decorating. Tip number 1: Natural materials. One of the key elements of rustic decor is incorporating natural material that bring warmth and texture to your space. Look for furniture and decor pieces made from wood, stone, or iron. Consider adding wooden beams to your ceiling or exposing bricks wall for a rustic touch. Incorporate elements like jute or Caesar rugs, woven baskets, and reclaimed wood furniture to create the cozy and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 2: Earthy colors. Rustic decor is often characterized by a warm and earthy color palette. Choose color like shades of brown, beige, cream, and green to create a natural and soothing ambience. Paint your wall in earthy tones or use wallpaper with natural inspired patterns. Add through pillows, blankets, or curtains in rustic color to enhance the cozy and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 3: Incorporate vintage accents. Adding vintage elements can instantly give your space a rustic charm. Look for antique furniture, vintage sign, or old-fashioned light fixture to create a nostalgic and timeless appeal. Visit floor market or a thrift store to find unique vintage pieces that tell a story. Mix them with modern elements to create an eclectic and interesting look that is ideally rustic. Tip number 4: Natural element. Bring the outdoor in rustic decor often celebrate natural, so incorporate natural element into your design is essential. Consider adding potted plants, fresh flowers, or dried branches for a touch of greenery and texture. Display botanical prints or landscape printing to further connect with nature. You can also use natural materials like twigs or pinicons to create DIY decor accents such as rugs or candle holder. And there you have it, rustic inspired home decor ideas by embracing natural material, opting for earthy colors, incorporating vintage accents, and bring natural elements indoor. You can create a cozy or inviting rustic environment in your own home. I hope you enjoyed the video and found some inspiring tips for your home decoring. If you enjoyed the video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe the Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Happy decoring.